Do you want to get the hair of your dreams?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm talking about that perfect hairstyle you've always wanted. Thick, luscious locks, perfectly styled just the way you envision. But what if I told you that you don't need to wait for months for it to grow or spend hours at a salon to get the hair you want? If I told you that the secret is an AI-powered technology?
Are you sure?
That's right. Today, I'm going to show you how you can transform your hair using the AI hair growth generator. It's as simple as a few clicks, and you'll get to see yourself with a whole new look.
Wow.
Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the link in the description below to access Wondershare Virbo. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, click on Start Online for free, and you'll be taken straight to the Wondershare Virbo platform. If you don't have an account, don't worry, you can sign up for a free account. If you're already a member, simply log in, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, let's dive into the fun. Start by clicking on AI Avatar. Next, head over to the dashboard and find the AI Generation tab. This is where the magic happens. Upload a photo of the person you want to transform into a hairstyling pro. Whether it's you, a friend, or someone else, just pick the image. Next, tell the AI exactly what you want by typing "Generate a hair transformation with long, thick, wavy hair styled to perfection." This will ensure the AI knows exactly the kind of hair look you're going for. After entering your prompt, click Generate Video and let the magic unfold. Sit back and relax as the AI works its wonders. It usually only takes a moment to see the hair transformation in action, and there it is. Take a look. Look at that transformation. This is your dream hair. Now in a video. Can you believe how easy that was? But that's not all. Wondershare Virbo offers even more incredible features that will take your video creation to the next level. You can create a realistic AI avatar to represent yourself in any video. Want to clone your voice? With AI voice cloning, Virbo lets you speak in any video, even if you're not the one behind the mic. And if you're looking to reach a global audience, AI video translation can translate your videos into multiple languages. Plus, you can create fully customizable AI avatars for your projects with AI avatar generation. Wondershare Virbo brings all of these features together to make your content creation faster, easier, and a lot more fun. So, what do you think? Whether you're curious about how you'd look with a new hairstyle or just want to experiment with cutting-edge tech, the AI hair growth generator is a total game changer. Imagine seeing your hair transformation without any wait or hassle. Ready to give it a go? Click the link in the description below and start your transformation with Wondershare Virbo today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more exciting tech updates. And remember, your dream hair is just a click away. See you in the next one.